This is Arabic eyeliner. Okay. Together with half smoky combination. See the colors. It's natural colors with a little bit of shimmery. Okay. Not too much glitters. Not too much.
Okay.
A little bit.
Okay, little.
A lot of glitters are out of fashion. Okay. But the most important here is Arabic eyeliner. Natural but still volume eyelashes, natural eyebrows, a lot of blush, not too much contouring, okay, a little bit, very fine, glossy lipstick.
Settled contour. Settled.
Settled, yes. Then we have similar, but a little bit stronger contouring.
Okay.
It's depend of the client. Some clients, you have to have a consultation with them to ask the question if she like more contouring or less contouring.
Yes.
Your client will dictate you, tell you what she wants, okay? But this is the typical.
Before client coming, most important communication.
Yes, consultation. We call consultation. That's why we do trial.
Okay.
Me personally, I never do bridal makeup without the trial.
Okay.
Because this is too stressful for me and for bridal.
Yes.
So we come for the trial, we talk, we try one way, and because I don't know personality. Some like more makeup, some less makeup.
Okay.
And so I have to understand my client. So this consultation is very important. But I have to know all these techniques. If she say, I want a half smoky, I do half. I want a matte look. I want a shimmery look. And I know this is matte look.
Wow.
Nice, Habibi. You look so great. Right. So
Model
this
and-
is the same. Okay. Classical lift with very sharp eyeliner. Half of eyeliner sharp, half is smoky, and here is totally matte. This is very popular today. Okay. Now what else we have? We have classical lifting techniques without strong eyeliner.
Okay.
Some women say, I don't want this Arabic eyeliner. I want classical. This type of makeup never goes out from the fashion.
Okay.
This type of.
Okay.
Okay. So, if you want to be good, you need to know classical lift very well. And you can work with different nationalities.
Okay.
Mhm. What else we have? This also more smoky, but inner corner very light. Okay, smoky with eyeliner. Okay. I go back. Okay, more Arab. Never look EI. This is EI, okay? This is not the real. So what we have here? This. I want to show you this. Not anymore. Finished. This is not fashionable. It was fashionable 5 years ago, 10 years ago, with this white eyeliner under.
Okay.
Yeah? This? No.
Okay.
This changed the face features too much. But what we can do, we can add double eyeliner. Double eyeliner is not here. 1 second. Like this is too much, okay? But we can have small eyeliner. This is classical lift, classical cut crease. Okay?
Okay.
This is very beautiful look. But I tell you honestly, not many makeup artists know how to do very nice cut crease.
Okay.
That's why you don't see so many makeup Arab bridals with the cut crease, because it's difficult to do.
Difficult.
Yes, it's difficult to do. Yeah. This is like too much, not anymore. Okay, this is yes. Okay, now we need to see the trend. What is trendy today? But anyway, you must tell me. This is also, it can be with small white eyeliner. This is okay. Okay, this is also okay. You see this gap? It can be done. Yeah, this is okay. Now you must tell me which techniques you want me to show you.
Okay.